Alright, we left off on example number 6, which said in how many different ways can you have 3 successes and 7 trials. And so that's going to be 7 NCR 3. In order to get to this combination, you want to go to Math, and then you want to go to the PRB menu, and then the third one is the combination, which is how you find out how many rows there are. And so the answer is how many different combinations is 35. Okay. In example number 7, we have 10 trials. And we don't get a 1 7 times, which means that we do get a 7 3 times. So 3 7s and 7 that are not. So the probability of getting, let me start that again. We're trying to get a 1. So we have 3 1s and 7 that are not 1s. The probability of getting a 1 is 1/6. The probability of not getting a 1 is 5/6. So we got 1/6 to the third time, 5/6 to the 7th power, and in front we have our number of rows from yesterday, which is NCR 3. So if I put all of this into the calculator, that should give me the percent. And that tells me that 0.155 or 15.5% of the time we would get 3 1s and 7 that are not 1s. For example number 8, I'm going to stick with this because it says the probability that we get it, you don't get a 1, more than 7 times, which means we need to figure out 8, 9, and 10. So the first one, I'm going to do 10 NCR2 1/6 squared 5/6 to the 8th. So that's us not getting it 8 times, which gives me an answer of 0.291. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing. Except for we're going to do 9 times missing and 1 time getting. And so when we put this into our calculator, we get 0.323. And then what happens if we don't get any? That's a 5/6 to the 10th. So this gives us an answer of 0.161. And then we're going to add these 3 numbers together because they are disjoint to tell us that it would happen 0.775% or 77.5% of the time. Okay, so 3 successes, 17 failures, and the probability of success is 1 out of 10. So we do 20 NCR 3, 0.1 to the third, 0.9, which is the probability of not getting a 2, is 17. Which gives me an answer of 0.990. And for the last one, we need to decide what a prime number is. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, and 7 is a prime number. So 20 NCR 10. By the way, 1 is not a prime number. Neither is 0. Because they have other designations. So 0.4 is how many we have here, and that'll happen 10 times. And 0.6 will also happen 10 times. And whatever this is will give us the answer to example number 10. Remember, this is 10 successes and 10 failures to make my 20 trials. And so it would happen 0.117 or 11.7% of the time. Work on the book assignment or the quiz. And I will be back tomorrow, and I will be there after school.